Hey guys, if you've updated to the developer beta for iPadOS 26, you're probably excited about Liquid Glass. But like me, you've also experienced some very annoying bugs. It's a beta after all. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few glitches that have been making the experience less smooth, especially for those of us who rely on our iPads every day. Let's start with the App Store. It's been painfully unreliable lately. Apps just won't update. I hit update all and nothing. The wheel keeps spinning. I can't even cancel it. And I've checked, there is nothing wrong with my Apple account or past downloads. The first time this happened, I checked to see if I had any issues. I don't actually have any. Sometimes a few apps do load, but they stall. It's the kind of bug that makes you second guess whether it's your Wi-Fi or Apple account. For our work especially, not fun at all. And downloading new apps, same story. When you want to get a new app, it doesn't even begin. I've tried signing out and back into my Apple account, rebooting the iPad, nothing consistently works. This is especially a problem for our work because we have to stay up to date with different apps that we track on this channel. And of course, new ones we're researching on. Next up, reminders. The widget is confused. I have one pinned on my home screen to show my this week list, but it just started displaying a completely different one out of nowhere. I had to actually open the list to go into the right list, and then it magically fixed itself until the next time it breaks. I've had the cycle a couple of times now, so I can't rely on the widget anymore, which is a little frustrating. I've noticed a faint white crackling noise when editing the homepage or scrolling through some applications, like Apple Notes especially, which is the app that I use a lot of the time. It's subtle and hard to hear unless you're in a very quiet environment, and also very hard to explain, but yeah, it feels like something is broken. And this noise is actually quite audible even when your iPad is on mute, which is very strange. The clear icons from Liquid Glass are proving very difficult to bring to iPadOS 26. The icons are harder to see now. Worse than before, they washed out, especially for anyone who values strong UI contrast. This one's really disappointing. On a more positive note, the control center is now transparent, and honestly, it looks amazing. It gives the entire interface a clean feel, and it blends nicely with your wallpaper and open apps in the background. So those are just the most frustrating bugs that I've experienced so far while testing this developer beta. Have any of you guys seen these issues, or are you running into completely different bugs? If this video helped you feel a little less alone in your iPad struggles, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates, tips, and honest app reviews. Thanks for watching, and fantastic human, as always, stay fantastic.